Hello and welcome to our latest look at vanishing world steam. Ever since the Telerail team first visited China in the early 1990s, the perennial question has always been just how much longer can fantastic steam action like this last? As various deadlines, including the end of mainline steam on China Rail, passed by, and as we edged towards the dawn of the new millennium, still that nagging question remained unanswered. How much longer can steam possibly continue? 3 years later, perhaps the most incredible aspect is not that a fair amount of steam has managed to survive, but that there's still such a variety of locations and classes left working.